dust. It's a normal part of wheeling that we all have to deal with, especially if you live out west and are unlucky enough to be in the back of the pack. And as much as it can be hard to breathe in, it can be just as hard on your Jeep. Changing out your air filter on a regular basis will help keep your Jeep JL Wrangler sucking in clean, fresh air. Among other things, it'll help give you better fuel economy, reduce emissions, improve acceleration, and maybe most importantly, prolong the life of your engine. For our purposes, we like using genuine Mopar parts, and the part number for it is right here. Fortunately, this is a super easy job and it can be done in minutes using one of these. However, the screws that are holding the airbox lid in place are actually pretty long, and it's a lot easier to remove them with one of these, an 8mm socket and a ratchet. But to help speed things along even more, I'll be using an electric one. So the airbox is actually held in place with these 4 screws that are located on the corners of the lid, as you can see right here. Using our 8mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove these screws now. Okay, there it is. Oh boy. Looks like we got a little bit more than just dust in our filter. Looks like we have some tasty morsels too. Oh yeah, look at all that dust. Just for good measure, I think I'm going to do a little spring cleaning before installing a brand new air filter. Time to help our JL breathe a little better. Alright, so just like before, we're going to use an 8mm socket to get this thing secured in place. Okay, hand tighten the rest. We should be good to go. And so that's all there is to it. Your Jeep JL Wrangler needs to breathe fresh, clean air just as much as you do, and changing out its air filter on a regular basis is the best way to ensure it can do just that. Now let's go get it dirty again.